Hello YouTubers, I'm coming to you today to show you how to fold the gender reveal. It's a box. I already used this one because my son is having twins. So we did like a double box. Excuse me. We did like a double box gender reveal. So we had like a big box, and then we had the big balloon that say boys or girl, boy or girl. So once they opened the big box, that balloon came up, and they popped that one, and we had this small one below the big balloon. So when they said their little speech and stuff like that, then they pulled this box out to reveal the second gender of the second baby. So it was pretty cool. But back to the box. I'm sorry, I just had to vent because I'm happy. But to show you how to fold this part of the box, you will take the part with the three things that's sticking down. You will take one side and fold it into the slot, and you will take the other side and fold it inside the other slot so it can be behind. And then you will take the two, the bottom part, I'm just gonna say the bottom part, with the two little things on it, and just tuck it in. Tuck it in. And so therefore you have your box, the bottom of the box. Okay. This top part, it didn't come with instructions. That is the reason why I'm making this video, because I was like, okay, I can see what they're doing, but okay, let me figure this out. So what you would do is you will fold the sides in. Let me turn it this way. You will fold the sides in, fold until it's flat. Fold until it's flat. You have this fold, and then you have this little fold at the top. So this little fold right here is going to lay flat in the bottom of the lid. So like that, and so. And you will go around the whole box doing that. Even with these two things on the side, you will fold that in as well. And the little flap will go lay down flat. So I'm going to do that right now. Just going to put it in there. Fold it on in there right quick. And it's not difficult. I'm just, because it's already been bent. I'm gonna do this. So once you get all of them flat, all of it flat to the bottom of the box, you will tuck it up, untuck the corner, tuck the top flap up under the one that's in the corner. You're gonna lift this up, and put this one on top of this one. And so, just like that. And they're going to be for all of the corners. Lift and tuck. Lift, 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 and tuck, and let it fall flat. Oh, let the flap fall. That's what I'm saying. And you do that with all the other corners. And therefore you have your lid to the box. And it shall fit. Perfect. Voila. Thank you for tuning in to my channel and seeing how to do this box, because I wish I had somebody to turn to when I had to do it. Y'all have a good day.